Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different. Okay, and guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay, and guys, today we are gonna learn that how we can create an awesome responsive dynamic e-commerce product slider using React.js. Okay, yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, I will explain you, I will teach you that how we can create an awesome responsive dynamic e-commerce product slider using react.js and swiper slider as well. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you the example so that we will get to know that today what we are gonna learn and today what we are gonna create in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you the example. Okay, so guys, this is the example I have built using purely react.js and swiper slider. Okay, so guys, here we can see the heading also, create a responsive dynamic e-commerce product slider in react.js using swiper slider. Okay, yes guys, you did it right. Today in this video, in this session guys, I'm gonna explain you, I'm gonna teach you that how we can create this kind of state of the art and world class e-commerce product slider using react.js and swiper slider as well with me, er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and guys, below we can see one awesome and dynamic and responsive product slider. Okay, so guys, as of now this slider contains only 9 slides. Okay guys, you are free to increase the number of slides, you are free to decrease the number of slides. Okay, there is no any limitations, there is no any restrictions that we have to only show this much of slide. No, you are free to increase the number of slides, you are free to decrease the number of slides as well. Okay, so guys, now you can see here on each and every product slide. Okay, we have got one product image, product name, product price and product ratings also, and here we can see 2 buttons also. Okay, so the first button is called see details and the second button is called buy now. Okay, so guys, likewise for all the slides. Okay, so this is the product image, product name, product price, product rating. Okay, one button see details and another button called buy now. Okay, here also this is the product image, product name, product price, product rating, one button called see details and another button called buy now. Here also product image, product name, product price, product ratings, see details button and buy now button. Okay, so likewise for all the slides. Okay, okay, so I hope so guys, just to give you the demo guys. Okay, I have just shown this much of product details. Okay guys, you are free to show as many details as you want to show of a particular product. Okay, but for this demo, for this example, okay, for this session, I have just shown here the product image, product name, product price, product ratings, and we have got 2 buttons also. One button is called see details and another button is called buy now. Okay guys, you can show the product descriptions also, you can show the product discounted price also, you can show the product current price also, you can show the like product company also, product forms also. Guys, you are free to show as many details as you want to show, okay? But for this demo I have just shown this much of details about the product, okay? So guys, this is the product slides, okay, and I have got only 9 slides, okay? You are free to increase it and you are free to decrease it, okay? I'm just gonna give you some awesome insights, some useful, some great insights, okay, of like this product slider, okay, so that you will get to know and you will have a clear picture that how we can create this kind of world class state of the art, okay, e-commerce product slider using react.js and swiper slider as well, okay? So guys, this is the right control, okay, this is the right control, okay, and this is the left control, okay, okay, and here we can see the bullets also, I mean the dots also we can say, okay, and it is also fully clickable and fully functional, okay? So okay, so everything is working fine, everything is doing great, okay? So guys, now you must be like thinking, you must be wondering that why I have given here these two buttons, okay? So guys, the first button is called see details, okay? Guys, the moment you will hit this button see details, okay, you are gonna see one pop-up, you are gonna see one modal, okay, and in that pop-up and in that modal we will be able to see all the product details, okay, of the respective product of the current product on which you have currently clicked, okay? And I have used here the SweetAlert2 pop-up, okay, just to show the details about the respective product, okay? Whenever user will click on this button see details, okay, see details, see details, okay? So likewise for all the product slides we have got two buttons, okay? One button is called see details, another button is called buy now, okay? I'm sorry, okay? So guys, now I'm gonna see the details of this particular product, okay? Asus Vivo book, okay, Go 14 Intel, okay? So in order to see the details of this particular product, guys, we have to hit this button see details, okay? So guys, now I am gonna hit it now. So see, boom guys, we can see here we got the pop-up, we have opened modal, okay, and in that modal we have shown all the product details, okay? So this is the product image, product name, this is the price, okay, and here we have got one button also called okay, just to dismiss this pop-up, just to dismiss this modal, okay? So hit it now. So guys, now I'm gonna see the details of this particular product, okay? Lenovo IdeaPad, okay, HD thin, okay? So hit this button see details, see, boom guys, we can see here this is the product image, product name, product price, $200, okay, and one button to dismiss this pop-up, to dismiss this modal, okay? So hit it now, okay? So guys, you are free to randomly see any product details, okay? So this e-commerce slider is fully responsive, is fully functional, and it is state of the art, okay guys? I'm sure guys, I'm damn sure that after watching this session, after having this session, you will definitely try to create this awesome, dynamic and responsive e-commerce product slider in react.js using swiper slider as well, okay? And guys, I'm damn sure also that you will definitely guys try to integrate this e-commerce product slider in your personal as well as in your professional application, in your professional websites, okay? So see details of this Acer Inspire 7 Intel Core i, okay? So hit the button see details, see, boom guys, so we can see here this is the product image, product name and product price, one button okay to dismiss this pop-up, okay? So guys, let me just show you one major thing of this product slider. Okay guys, it is fully responsive, fully functional, okay, and it will work on any kind of screen sizes. It will definitely do great things, okay, on any kind of screen devices, on any kind of screen sizes. Okay, so guys, now let me just show you the responsiveness of this state of the art e-commerce product slider. Okay, so let me just go to the mobile view first. So just go to this view, and guys, you can see here in this screen sizes, okay, we have just shown here three products. Okay, so let me just increase it. Okay, so you can see here, you can see here in this device, in this screen sizes, I have just shown here the three products. See, now I have shown all the products. Okay, so okay, so let me just decrease it. See, in this screen sizes, I have just shown here the two products, okay, two slides, okay, and it is fully functional and fully responsive and fully dynamic, okay, and fully working as well. Okay, there is no issue, there is no any problem. Okay, so see details, see, it is also working fine. Okay, see details, it is also doing great. Click OK. So just see details, see, it's fine. See details, see, it's doing great. See details, it is also working fine. Okay, so see, the controls is also doing great. So this is the right control, it is also working fine. This is the left control, it is also doing fine, it is also working perfect. Okay, so see details, we can see the details also in mobile view as well. Okay, so let me just go to the mobile view, and you can see here, as of now the dimensions is iPhone XR. Okay, and you can see here this is fully functional and fully responsive and fully dynamic. Okay, so you can see here in the mobile view, I have just shown here the one product slide. Okay, and it is sliding also left slide, and it is sliding also right slide. Okay, so we can click the button see details also to see the details. Okay, see, as of now we can't see the image because we are working locally using React. Okay, and it is a React, we can say, drawback also, that we can't see the image, okay, when we are working locally. Okay, so that's why we are not able to see the image. Okay, so once we will go to the desktop view, we will be able to see the image as well. Okay, so see, now the dimension is iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, okay, so you can see everything is doing great, everything is working fine. Okay, there is no issue, there is no any problem at all. Okay, so just here, from here we can change the dimensions. Okay, so okay, so it is functional, it is working, and we can see the product details as well. Okay, I have explained you why we can't see the image. Okay, so just close this. Okay, so now we can see the image also. See, we can see the image also, because this is the setback, this is the drawback of React while working locally. Okay, so if you want to see the details, we have to hit the button see details. Okay, and here I have used here, guys, this is the SweetAlert to pop-up. I will explain you how we can integrate this SweetAlert pop-up in our React application. Okay, so click OK. Okay, so guys, I hope, guys, I have explained you what we are gonna learn and what we are gonna build, what we are gonna create today in this video, in this session with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, guys, you can see here this e-commerce product slider is the state of the art e-commerce product slider. And guys, I'm damn sure you will definitely, guys, use this e-commerce product slider in your application, in your website, in your professional as well as in your personal websites. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this state of the art e-commerce product slider using react.js and swiper slider as well. Okay, so let me go to the URL first. Okay, so guys, this is the swiper slider I'm gonna use here. Okay, so I will be using here the CDN version. Okay, I will be using the CDN link. Okay, to integrate, okay, this swiper slider in our react.js application. Okay, so I hope, guys, you know what is swiper slider and how we can use, how we can integrate, okay, this awesome and dynamic, okay, easy to use swiper slider in our application. Okay, if you don't know, don't worry, I will explain you. I will just guys explain you each and every minute details, okay, of creating this state of the art e-commerce product slider using react.js and swiper slider as well. Okay, so I have just used the CDN version of this swiper slider. Okay, so I will give you the links in the description. Just go here and just try to read the docs. Okay, and guys, it is self-explanatory, it is fully explained. Okay, there is no issue. It is very easy to use, it is very easy to integrate in our application, whether it is a React application, whether it is a Vue.js application, whether it is a Angular application, okay, or whether it is a normal JavaScript application, okay, or the HTML website. Okay, no issue, it is very easy and fully functional, and we can integrate in any kind of uh, you know languages. Okay, I've explained you, you can see here JavaScript, React, Vue.js, and web components as well. Okay, so this is available for all these four platforms. Okay, okay, so I will explain you how we can use the CDN version, CDN links, okay, to use this. You can see here in less creativity. Okay, so guys, just go here, read it, and try to guys create something, try to build something unique, something innovative, something creative. And guys, do show me, just give you the link of your website, of your URL in the comment section below. I'll definitely go there, and I will definitely guys check it out. Okay, so this is it guys. Okay, we are gonna use this swiper slider in our application, okay, to create this state of the art e-commerce product slider using react.js and swiper slider with me, er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, please, okay, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel code with er, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly. And definitely guys, you will grow also professionally after watching my video, after having my session. Okay guys, it's a request from a friend to a friend, it's a request from a brother to a brother. Guys, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, and the only way you can help me, and the only way you can support me, is by subscribing to my this channel code with er. Okay, please guys, please, please, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, and the only way you can help me is by subscribing to my this channel code with er. Okay, and liking all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos guys like this on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay guys, guys, I am a service now expert. Okay, and I have got more than 5 years of experience in service now. Okay, so I have started also creating videos on service now as well. Okay, so guys, if you want videos on service now, guys, do comment me that I want a video in service now as well. Okay, I will definitely guys create an awesome videos, dynamic videos on each and every topic of service now as well. Okay, please guys, please, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, and please guys, do subscribe my this channel code with er, and please press the bell icon also, and please like all my videos. If you have learned something from my videos, from my session, then please guys, you are yeah, like, you should definitely guys like all my videos, you should definitely subscribe to my this channel code with er if you have learned something from my session, from my videos. Okay guys, your friend need your help, your brother need your help. Okay, and the only way you can help me, and the only way you can support me, is by subscribing to my this channel code with er. Okay, okay, please guys, please. Okay, and thank you guys who has already subscribed to my this channel code with er. Thank you guys, thanks a lot, a lot, a lot. Okay, and thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed to my this channel YouTube channel code with er. Okay, and guys, I forget to wish you a very very happy, prosperous, and healthy new year 2025. Okay, so guys, happy new year guys to all my lovely and great family members, okay, community members, okay, who has subscribed my this channel code with er. Okay, so I wish you guys a very very happy new year, happy, healthy, prosperous, and you guys, you may achieve a greater heights, you may achieve a great success in your life, in your journey this year and in coming years as well. Okay, so happy new year guys. Okay, happy new year to all my lovely subscribers. Okay, thank you guys, thank you. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this state of the art e-commerce product slider in react.js using swiper slider with me er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let me just go to the code editor. So guys, here I'm gonna use the VS Code editor. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences, to write your code. Okay, to create something unique, to create something innovative. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here one new file. So I'll say here Control N. I'll give here the slider in React. Okay, .html. Okay, so save the file first. Okay, so hit enter. It is already there, so I'll give here one. Okay, so give like one. Okay, so hit enter. Okay, so I'm gonna create here first HTML structure. Okay, so I'll give here the title as a code with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer. Guys, currently I'm working as a ServiceNow developer at Happiest Minds Bangalore, and I have got more than 4 years of you can say 5 years of experience in software development, and currently I'm working as a ServiceNow developer at Happiest Minds. Okay, so guys, now this is it. I'm sorry. Okay, so guys, now in order to work with this file, okay, we need some serial links also. So let me go to the example first and let me just copy the serial links from there and I will explain you all the serial links. Okay, so just don't worry guys, be relaxed, be calm and sit, okay, patiently, and guys, watch something unique, something great, and learn something unique, something great from this video, from this session. Okay, so let me go to the example first. So guys, this is the serial links. I'm gonna copy it and let me just paste here in our file. So paste it here. So we need some more serial links. Okay, so let me go to the example again. So just go down and just copy these serial links from here and just copy it from here and just paste it here above closing body tag. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now you can see here okay, you can see here this is the serial link for bootstrap.min.css. okay, and you know why we use the bootstrap. Okay, and guys, this is the css file for okay swiper slider. Okay, you can see here swiper bundle.min.css. okay, and guys, this is the css file for font awesome. Okay, you can see here font awesome.min.css. okay, and like I told you, we have used here the SweetAlert2 also. Okay, so you can see here this is the js file for, this is the serial link for SweetAlert2. okay, so guys, here we can see here this is the react development serial links. Okay, this is the react okay dom development.js serial link. Okay, and this is the bevel okay serial links. Okay, bevel.min.js. okay, and we all know that why we use the bevel. Okay, so guys, bevel is gonna transpile our JSX back into the plain JavaScript. Okay, and then only it is gonna be understood by our web browser JavaScript engine. Okay, so bevel is gonna support our JSX. Okay, and guys, this is the JS file for swiper slider. Okay, okay, so this is it. Okay, I have explained you all the serial links. Okay, it's self-explanatory. I will give you the serial links. Okay, and you are free to use it. Okay, in your application, in your projects. Okay, so first of all guys, I'm gonna create here one HTML okay container div. Okay, so I'll give the ID also as a app. Okay, so give the ID as a app, close this div. Okay, so just close this div and I'm gonna write the comment here also for you guys. Okay, so that it will be easy to understand. Okay, so I'll give here react.js will inject the output output for us. Okay, and then we will be able to see it on the browser, on the screen. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now first of all I'm gonna create here one script element, one script tag. Okay, so let me just create it. Okay, so let me just give the id as a root only. Okay, so this is the root. Okay, container div, or the we can say the root. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one script element. Now I'll say here script. Okay, I'll give the type also, so we have to specify the type also, because I'm sorry, because we are using here the Syrian version of Babel. Okay, so we have to mention the type also. Okay, so I'll say here text slash Babel. Okay, this is it. Okay, so open it now. So go a little up. Okay, so first of all guys, I'm gonna create here the main component. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna create here the main component. Okay, so I'll say here the comment also main app component. Okay guys, I hope guys I'm sorry, I'm sorry for this. Okay, so guys, I hope guys we know that how we can create the component. Okay guys, if you don't know how we can create the component in react.js, okay, then guys I would like to request you, I would like to recommend you guys, please guys, okay, first watch my previous videos on how to create the component in react.js, and how we can pass the props in component in react. Okay, then only you will be able to grasp this video, then only you will be able to get this video. Okay, so first of all you must watch my other react.js videos, okay, session, then only you will be able to get this video. Okay, but I'm gonna assume that you know what is component and how we can create the component, how we can pass the props, okay, in component. Okay, okay, very okay. So now let's just start, okay, coding. Okay, so guys, I hope you know how we can create the component in react.js and how we can pass the props in react.js as well. Okay, so I'm gonna create here okay, the main component. I'll use the fat arrow function. I'll say here const app. Okay, I'll use here the fat arrow function like this. I would like to use the fat arrow function to create the components, okay, functional component in react.js. Okay, so guys, here we are not gonna use the class component, we are gonna use the functional component in react.js, because class component, okay, is now like outdated, or like we can say here it's like obsolete now. Okay, so people used to people people would like to use, okay, functional component in react for creating the component. Okay, so here also I will be using the functional component to create the component in react. Okay, I'm not gonna use here the class component. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so open this. Okay, I'm gonna create here one array of objects. Okay, so I'll say here const. Okay, so const, I'll give here the slides. Okay, so I'm gonna give here the slides. Okay, so this is the name of the array of the object. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so close this. Okay, so I hope guys we know how we can create the object, okay, in javascript, okay, or in any javascript modern libraries, okay, like react, vue, or angular. Okay, so if you don't know how we can create the objects, so let me just explain you how we can create the component. Okay, so it will be easy for you to get this video, to get this session. Okay, so I'm gonna use here this open and closing curly braces. Okay, so guys, it will be always in key value pair. Okay guys, we always create objects in javascript in the form of key value pair. Okay, in the form of key value pair we will create our object here also. Okay, okay, so I'll use the id as a key, id as a key, and I'll use the value 1 as a value. Okay, so I'll use the image. Okay, image is, okay, image is the key. Okay, and path of the image will be the value. Okay, so like we can say here assets. Okay, so assets, assets, okay, images, okay, and image name, okay, image dot jpg. Okay, so guys, this is the id and one is the value. So this is the image is the key, okay, and this is the value. Okay, so put comma, and now I'm gonna create here the content. Okay, so content, okay, I'll give here the product, okay, product name, okay, put comma, okay, I'll use here the price also, price of the product. Okay, okay, so I'll say here I'm gonna use here the dollar. Okay, so I'll give here $200. This is it, put comma, and I'll use here the ratings also. So ratings, okay, and it is again an array of icons. Okay, so let me just go to the example first and let me just copy, okay, these ratings from here. Okay, so it will save a little bit of time also, and I'm just going to explain you. So let me just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, id is the key, one is the value, okay, image is the key, and this path is the value, okay, of the image. Okay, so content is the key and product name is the value. Okay, price is the key and this is the value. Okay, rating is the key and this is again an array, so this is the value. Okay, so guys, okay, like this guys only we can create object in JavaScript or in JavaScript any modern libraries, okay, like React, Vue or Angular. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so in this way we can create the objects. Okay, and in this way we can create the array of objects. Okay, so in this way we can create the array of objects. Okay, so guys, now this is known as the array of object. Okay guys, now this is known as the array of objects. Okay, so we have to change here the id 2, okay, and we have to change here the id 3 because we all know id should be unique, id should be different. Okay, so in this way guys we have created an array of objects. Okay, and I have explained you how we can create the object in JavaScript. Okay, so sorry, let me just remove this and let me just go to the example and let me just copy these, okay, array of objects. Okay, so that it will save a little bit of time also, and it will keep our videos within the limits also. Okay, so copy this array of objects from here and just come to the code and just paste it here. Okay, so guys, in this way we have saved little bit of time also, and due to this only our video will be little within the limit. Okay, so guys, this is the first element. Okay, this is the second element. Okay, this is the third element, this is the fourth element, this is the fifth element, this is the sixth element. Okay, this is the seventh element. Okay, this is the eighth element and this is the ninth element. Okay, so id 1, id 2, id 3, id 4, id 5, id 6, id 7, id 8 and id 9. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, so this is the image path. Okay, this is the content. So product name. Okay, so price is this and rating is this. Okay, rating is again an array of font awesome icon. Okay, you can see here this is the font awesome icon. Okay, you can see here this is the font awesome icon. Okay, so guys, likewise for all the elements. Okay, you can see here likewise for all the elements. Okay, we have, okay, we have id, image, content, price and rating. Okay, id, image, content, price and ratings. Okay, likewise for all the elements. Okay, I'm not gonna explain you all the things in details in deep. Okay, because it is repetitive. Okay, and if I'm gonna explain you, if I have to explain you all these things, then our video will be extra larger, extra longer. Okay, and you would like I hope guys you like we don't prefer to watch the larger video. We don't like to watch the longer video. So due to that, okay, I will try to keep my video within the limit. Okay, so I've explained you all the things. Okay, so guys, this slides is now known as the array of objects. Okay, you can see here this is an object, id, image, content, price, and ratings. You can see rating is again an string, and it is an string array. Okay, it contains, you can see, icon, font, or some icons. Okay, I've explained you all the things. Okay, so just pause this video for a while and try to go through these slides. Okay, array of objects. Okay, although I've explained you all the things. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so below we are gonna return the things also. Okay, so below we will return all the things. Okay, so we have to give here the return statement also. So we will say here return like this, like this. Okay, so close this. This is it. Okay, so we have to create here one parent div inside this return statement, otherwise it is gonna throw an error. Okay, so we have to give here the class name instead of just class. Okay, you know why, I'm not gonna explain you. Okay, so close this div. I'll give here the container. Okay, so container, this is it. I'll give here margin top 5 also, margin bottom 5 also. So this is it. Okay, so guys, now we have to mount our, okay, we have to guys mount our this react.js instance. Okay guys, we have to mount our this react.js instance, okay, with our this html, okay, part also. Okay, with our this html view part also, we have to mount our this vue.js, okay, I mean react.js instance. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so so const, I'll say here container equal to, I'll say here document dot get element by id, and we have to grab this div by its id root. Okay, so copy this div id root and paste it here. This is it. Okay, I'm gonna create here another const. I'll say here root only. Okay, so I'll say here, okay, I'll say here react dom dot create, okay, create root. So create, okay, root. Okay, and we have to pass this container, okay, as a parameter to this function. This is it. Okay, and now we will say here root. Okay, so root dot render. Okay, render, what to render guys? Of course we have to render this main component. Okay, this app component. So copy this from here and just paste it here and close this. This is it. Okay, so guys, now this is it. Okay, so guys, in this way, okay guys, in this way we have mounted our this react.js instance. Okay, our this react.js instance, okay, with our this view part, with our this html part. Okay, I hope I'm very clear, and I hope you know what I am doing here. Okay, so I hope guys you are very clear. Okay, if you still have any doubt, any query, guys, please try to ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to explain you. I'll try to definitely guys give you the best possible explanation. Okay, so that you will be it will be easy for you to get this video. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna so first of all I'm gonna create here one const. Okay, so that it will give you the confidence that our, okay, our this vue.js instance, I mean sorry, I keep saying view. Okay, so our this react.js instance, okay, with our this html part, with our this view part. Okay, because I have teach you guys, I have teached you vue.js also, so that's why I keep saying vue.js, but I'm sorry, we are learning here react.js. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one const. I'll say here header. Okay, header. Okay, I'll give here welcome. Okay, welcome to react.js classes with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so put comma, put semicolon. What the? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so copy this header variable name from here and just come here and inside this. Okay, so just come here and now, so I'm gonna create here another div. So give the class name also. I'll say here, so I'll say here text center. I'll give here margin top 4, also margin bottom also 4, and close this div. Okay, I'm gonna create here h1 element, so close this very quickly. Give the class also as h2. Okay, and put here open and closing braces, and we have to paste here this variable name header. Okay, so copy it from here and paste it here. This is it. Okay, so guys, if everything is okay, if our this react.js instance have been mounted okay correctly, okay, have been mounted correctly with our this HTML part, with our this view part, okay, then we will be able to see welcome to react.js classes with Prabhat Pandit on the screen. Okay, so save your file and just dispose this port and just go live now. So we can see here we got the issue because we can't see anything on the screen. So just go to the inspect, go to the developer tool. We can see here we have got one error also. So let me just inspect what is the error, what is the issue. So you can see here React DOM. Okay, you can see here React DOM is not defined, so it's a spelling mistake. We have to say here DOM. Okay, React DOM. So save your file, go to the browser and cut this out, and again just go to the inspect, go to the console. You can see here React DOM. Why React DOM? Create root. Okay, React dot create root. Okay, so what is the issue, guys? React, okay, react React DOM dot create root. Okay, so let me just, so cut this out. So go to the code and go to the previous example. Okay, and let me just check here what is the issue. So there is no issue, guys, at all. You can see here create root. Okay, I hope I have given here the capital C. Okay, I have given here the capital C. Okay, so make it a small, okay, small c. Save your file, go to the browser, and boom, guys, you can see here welcome to react.js classes with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now everything is okay, everything is working fine. So there were only spelling mistake. Okay, so instead of a small c, I have given here the capital C. Okay, so this was the issue. So now it is resolved, it is rectified. Okay, and this is why we can see here welcome to react.js classes with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now this is it. Come to the code now. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here one custom component. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna create here one custom component, okay, above this main component. Okay, so I'm gonna create here, guys, one custom component. Okay, I'll use here the fatter function to create it. Okay, I'll give here the card, okay, as the component name. Okay, I hope you know why we have given here the capital C. Okay, because it is compulsory, it is mandatory to capitalize the component name. Okay, so that's why I have given here the capital C. Okay, so just like this federal function, so close this, and we have to return from this component also. So we will say here return like this, open and closing parenthesis. So we have to give here the div or the JSX fragments also, it is compulsory. Okay, so this is it. So I'll give here the container as a class. Okay, so close this div very quickly. So this is it. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna pass here some props also. Okay, to this card component I'm gonna pass here some props also, and I hope you know how we can pass the props, because I have explained you, I have teach you in my previous videos as well. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna create here some props also. Props means properties. Okay, so I will give you the first prop, okay, as a slide. Okay, so first prop I'll give as a slide. Okay, and second prop I'll give here the uh, I'll give you a second prop as a on C details. Okay, so this is the function. Okay, we will define later in the main component. Okay, in the main component we will define this props. Okay, so we will pass this C on C details. Okay, and this is a prop, and this is a method name, this is a function name. Okay, so we will define later on. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now in the return statement we will just create a div. Okay, and I'll give here the another class. I'll say here swiper. Okay, swiper slide. Okay, swiper slide. Okay, so this is it. Okay, inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. I'll give the class name also as a card. Okay, card, and I'll give here the text. I'll give you the text left. Okay, so close this div. Okay, open this div. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna create here the image. Okay, so I'll say here img. I'll use here the src like this. Okay, so src like this. Okay, so this, and I'll give you the class name also as a, okay, I'll give you the class name as a img fluid. I'll say here img card img top. Okay, so I'll say here card img top. Okay, and I'll give you the image as a slide. Okay, so copy this prop name from here, slide, and just, okay, and we will see here slide dot. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, so we will this image to show the image. Okay, this image, this image, this image. Okay, the particular image we will see here slide dot image. Okay, so this is it. Okay, we will use this card component. Okay, guys, we will use this card component to loop through this slides array of object. Okay, guys, we will loop through this slides array of object using this card components. Okay, using this card component by using the JavaScript very famous method called map method. Okay, map method, we will use this card component to loop through this array of objects slides. Okay, okay, so now just come here. I'll give the alt attribute also. I'll give this alt attribute as a slide. Okay, as a slide dot name. Okay, I'll give you the, or we can, there is no name attribute. Okay, so we will just use this content. Okay, just this image name. Okay, as a alt attribute. Okay, so we will see here this slide. Okay, okay, so like this. Okay, this is it. Okay, so we have to close this img element also, because it's compulsory to close all the HTML tag, HTML elements. Okay, whether it is a self-closing tag or elements, or whether it is a normal tag or element. Okay, it's compulsory to close it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now below this img element I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so close this div. I'll give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a card body. I'm sorry. So card body, okay, open this div, okay, and inside this div I'm gonna create here h5 element, okay, h5 element, okay. So close this. I'll give the class name also as a I'll give class name as a card title, okay. So inside this h5 element I'll just show the this, okay, this slide, okay, this slide dot, okay, to show the name, to show the name, content, this name, this name, this name, this name, okay. So we will use here the this slide prop dot content, okay, to show the name, okay. This is it, okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna create here h para element also to show the price, okay, to show the price. Let me just go to the example first. Let me just explain you one more time. So this is the product name, product price, product ratings, and we will create the buttons also, okay, see details and buy now buttons, okay. So likewise for all the slides, okay. Okay, so come to the code now, and I'll just give you the class name also. I'll say here name, okay. This is it. I'll just give you, or we can say here, because we are showing the price, we can say the class name as a price only, and I'll just give you the price text also like this, okay. So we will just use this prop slide, we will say here to show the price, this price guys, okay, this price, okay, this price, this price, this price, okay, this price, this price. We will say here slide dot price. This is it, okay. So now below this p I'm gonna create here another div, okay. Below this div p I'm gonna create here another div, okay. So close this div, okay. So I'm sorry guys, okay, for my voice, okay. Sometime I might say this instead of this, sometime I might say instead of that this, okay. So this is nothing guys, this is just a slip of tongue, okay. I'm excuse me for this, I'm sorry for this, because I'm constantly speaking, I'm constantly trying to explain you things, what I'm doing here, what I'm writing here. So it's natural, it's obvious, okay. We will say something this instead of this, we will say something that instead of that, okay. So this is obviously normal, this is quite natural, okay. So I'm sorry for this, still I'm asking your forgiveness, I'm sorry for this, okay. I hope guys you will subscribe my this channel code with ER, okay. Please guys, please, I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my this channel code with ER, okay. Guys, your friend need your help, your brother need your help, okay. Guys, consider me as your friend and consider me as your brother, and I need your help, I need your support for subscribing my this YouTube channel code with ER, okay, and liking all my videos also, okay. Please guys, please support me and promote me, and please subscribe me my this channel code with ER, okay. So just come to the code now. So this is it, okay. So below inside this div, okay, inside this div what I'm gonna do here, I'll just give the class also. So I'll say here ratings, okay. I'll say here rating and open this div, okay. And now we will just as of now let it be guys, okay. As of now let it be. So just here, just say here ratings, okay. Just say here ratings, okay. Later on we will just show here the ratings, okay. So this is it, okay. And below this div I'm gonna create here another div, okay. So another div I'm gonna create here, I'll give the class name also as a, I'll just give you the div flex, okay. I'm gonna create here the buttons, okay. So div flex, okay. I'll say here flex row, okay. I'll say here justify content, okay. Space between, okay, justify content between, okay. And just open this div and I'm gonna create here the buttons, okay. So I'm gonna create here the buttons. So button, okay, close this button very quickly. I'll give you the text also. So I'll say here see details, okay. So this is the text, see details, okay. And I'll just give you the class name also. So I'll say here btn, okay, btn. I'll give you a btn danger, okay, and I'll say here margin top 3, and I'll give you the margin bottom also 3, okay. So guys, now on click, okay, on click, on click, we have to call this method, okay. So on click we have to call this method, okay. So we will just define here the method name also, which name, see on see details, okay. So just this is it, okay. And we have to pass here the parameter also to this method on see details, okay. I'm sorry guys, just put here something other things, okay. I'll say here handle handle click, okay. So copy this method name handle click and just replace it, and we have to pass this slide as a parameter, okay, to this function. This is it, okay guys, this is it, okay. So I'm gonna create here another button. So let me just copy this button from here only and just paste here, and just remove this method from here. We don't need any method on this button, okay. So I'll just change the class name also. I'll give you the warning, okay, warning, okay. And I'll just say here buy now, okay. So buy now, okay. This is it, okay. So guys, now in this way we have created here one custom component, okay. Okay, so this is the custom component and its name is cards, okay. And it has got two props also. The first prop is slide and the second prop is handle click, okay. And it is a method name, okay. So later on we will define the ratings here, okay. That's why I have given here the text also. I hope you would remember, okay, because we will define here the ratings, okay. Product ratings, let me just show here. So this products rating, okay, this products rating, okay, this products rating, okay. You can see here this is varying, okay. So not every rating is same, okay. So we have to show the different ratings also. So that's why I have given here the text rating. Later on we will define it, okay. So guys, our card component, custom card component is ready, okay. And it has got two props, slide and handle click, okay. And it is a method name, and we have defined here this method name on click, okay. And we have passed the parameter this slide props to this handle click method, okay. So we will define it later on in the main component, okay. This handle click method in our main component, okay. So this is it guys, okay. So guys, now just come to the main component, okay. And we have to look through this slides array of object, okay. Guys, we have to now look through this slides array of object, okay, by using this card custom component using JavaScript very famous method called map method, okay. So just come to the main component now, okay. So come to the main component now, okay. So this is it, okay. So I'll just give here the container fluid, okay. So give here container fluid, okay. This is it, okay. So let it be. So below this div I'm gonna create here okay, I'm gonna create here another div, okay. Another div, I'll give the class name also as a swiper, okay, as a swiper. So close this div, okay. So guys, because I have used here this swiper class, because we are gonna create here this swiper slider, okay, okay, using this swiper slider, okay. So you can see here the most modern mobile touch slider, okay. And you can see here endless creativity. So just go here and try to explore this slider, go through these docs, okay, resources, okay. And definitely guys, you will understand it, you will get it, and definitely guys, you will create something awesome, something innovative, something creative using this swiper slider, okay. That's what I'm explaining you. I'm gonna teach you here in this video, in this session. And you can see here it is available for JavaScript, okay, React, Vue and web components as well, okay. So that's why I have used here, okay, I have used here the swiper slide. Okay, and that's why I have used here the class here also, swiper. Okay, okay. So okay, so below this, inside this div, I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so I'm gonna create here another div and give the class name also as a, I'll say here swiper wrapper. Okay, wrapper. Close this div. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Open this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here you know open and closing braces. Okay, so now we will just use this. Okay, we will just use this slides array of object. Okay, so just paste it here. We will say here dot. Okay, we will say here dot map. Okay, because we are going to use here the map method, and we all know that map method takes one callback function as a parameter, and that callback function takes another parameter. Okay, so at least one necessary parameter. Okay, so I'll just use here the slide. Okay, I'm gonna use here the filter function like this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now just I'll just say here like this. Okay, yeah, so remove this. Okay, so now so okay, so we will just use this card components. Okay, custom component. Okay, so just inside this like, okay, like this, paste it here. Okay, and you can see here it has got two props also, slide and handle click. Okay, so we will give this prop value also. Okay, here. Okay, so this is the prop, guys. Okay, slide is the prop, handle click is the prop, and we have to pass this prop value also in our main component where we are calling this custom component. Okay, guys, where we are calling this custom card component, and it has got, okay, two props also. First prop is slide and second prop is called handle click. Okay, so we have to provide, okay, value to these props also whenever where we are calling this custom card component in our main component. In our React application, we have to provide this slide value also. We have to provide this handle click value also whenever we are calling this custom card component. Okay, okay, so now we will just do that only. So now we will just give here the key attribute also like this. I'll just give here this slide dot id. Okay, you can see here id is unique, id 1, id 2, id 3 up to id 9. Okay, so we will see here slide dot id like this. Okay, and now we will just give this slide props value also. So copy this slide and just come here, and we will say here like this. So we will just give slide equal to this slide. Okay, because now this slide contains, okay guys, because now this slide contains all the elements. Okay, all the elements from this slides array of objects inside this slide. Okay, inside this slide. Okay, and now it is an object. Okay, and now it is an object. Okay, so I mean the plain object. Okay, now it is the plain object, and now everything, okay, now every element from this slides array of object is inside this slide plain object. Okay, so that's why I have given here this slide prop. Okay, this slide prop. Okay, this slide prop value equal to this slide. Okay, this slide. Okay, Okay, and now just give this handle click prop value also. So copy this and just paste it here. First we have to close this. So now error is gone, and now we will define here the method name also. Okay, like this. Okay, so I'll give the method name also, which we will define here in our main component. Okay, I'll say here alert. Okay, alert. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm very sorry. Okay, alert name, alert name. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so still we have got here one issue. Okay, still we have got one issue here. So let me just rectify this issue. Okay, so what is the issue guys here? So let me just slides dot map. Okay, and okay, we got the issue guys. Yeah, so now our error is gone. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now this is it. Okay, so guys, now just save your file, go to the browser and try to see something. Okay, so as of now we can see here we got the issue. Go to the developer tools. Okay, go to the console. We can see here we have got 4 error here also. I'm sorry. Okay, so first of all let me just remove this method name. Okay, so just define this method name. Okay, so first of all let me just define this method name here. Okay, so I'll say here const. Okay, const, I'll use here like this fatter function. So close this. Okay, I'm very sorry. Okay, so I'm sorry. So you can see here guys, you can see here this handle click has got one like a parameter also. Okay, you can see here handle click has got one parameter also, or we can say it's like, I mean, we can say like I'm confusing guys between parameter and arguments. Okay, so guys, I'm very confused between parameters and arguments. Okay, so we will just say here parameter. Okay, for your understanding. Okay, for this video. Okay, so you can see here guys, this handle click takes one parameter also, slide. Okay, and it is an like object. Okay, it is an and simple object, a plain object. Okay, okay, so now we will just provide here this. Okay, here also, so I'll say here slide. Okay, now we will say here whenever user will click on this button. Okay, on this button. Okay, on this button you can see here see details. Okay, let me go to the example first. Let me go to the example. So you can see here the moment I am hitting this button, see details, we will able to open this pop-up, open this modal. Okay, so this is what I am doing here. This is what I'm doing here. So we will just say here, so just come down and we will just say here that slide alert. I will just show you this simple alert first. Okay, alert, I'll say here slide. Okay, dot content. Okay, dot content, because this content is the product name. Okay, this content is the product names. Okay, 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 so just save your code and go to the browser, and now we can see the error is gone now, and we can see here, we can see here the slider is also working. As of now we have not written here the slider codes. Okay, so we have to write now the slider codes as well. Okay, so we will use here the use effect. Okay guys, we all know why we use the use effect. Okay, okay, so now we will just define the slider codes. Okay, inside our the use effect. Okay, javascript hook. Okay, we all know guys, use effect is a javascript hook. Okay, so we have to import it first. So I'm gonna import it. I'll say here const. So we have to import it first. Okay, so I'm gonna import it now. Okay, I'll say here const. Okay, like this we will import from where, from of course react. Okay, so from of course react, so we will use the we will import here use effect. Okay, use uh, effect. Okay, and this is it. Okay, so as of now I'm gonna use here this use effect hooks. Okay, so just copy this use effect hook from here, and below this, okay, I'm gonna use it now. Okay, to initialize our swiper slider. Okay guys, to initialize our swiper slider, we will use this react hook use effect. Okay, to initialize our swiper slider. Okay, so I'm gonna do it now here. Okay, I'll say here use effect like this. Okay, so fat array function like this. Okay, like this. I will be using here the empty dependency array. Okay, so this is it guys. Okay, so now just close this. Okay, so open this, and we will be using here this use effect. Okay, use effect react hook. Okay, to initialize. Okay, to initialize our swiper slider. Okay guys, we also use the use effect hook to initialize the third party library, to initialize the third party plugins. Also we will use the use effect hook. Okay, so likewise here also I am gonna use here this. Okay, I'm gonna use here this swiper slider. Okay, so we have to use here the react.js use effect hook. Okay, to initialize. Okay, to initialize this swiper slider. Okay, because it is a third party library and it is purely written in javascript. Okay, so that's why we have to use here. So that's why we have to use here the use effect hook. Okay, to initialize the third party library, to initialize the third party plugins. Okay, and we all know that swiper slider is a javascript. Okay, library. Okay, so we have to use here the use effect hook. Okay, to use this swiper slider in our react application. Okay, so this is what I am gonna do. I hope I explained you very clearly, very efficiently. Okay, and you are very clear and you are damn clear. Okay, so I will just say here, I'm gonna say here that I'm gonna say here const. I'll use here the swiper swiper I'm sorry, I'm gonna use here the swiper slider instance. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the swiper slider instance. I'm gonna create here the swiper slider instance by using the new keyword. Okay, so I'll say here new swiper. Okay, new swiper like this. Okay, and we will just use here this class. Okay, this swiper class. Okay, just be defined here this class swiper. Okay, so copy it. Okay, so copy it and paste it here like this. Okay, so now we will just give here comma. Okay, and we will use here the open and closing curly braces. Okay, so open it now, and just we can say here. Okay, so now just say here, I'll give here the loop. Okay, loop, I'll give here the true. Okay, put comma. Okay, I'll give here the slide. Okay, slide per view, slides per view. Okay, I'll give here slides per view 4 only. Okay, you can increase or you can decrease. Okay, I'll give here the space. Okay, space between. Okay, space between, I'll give here 30 px. Okay, so this is it. Okay, I'll give here rewind true. Okay, rewind, I'll give here true, so it will rewind. Okay, if once it is and it will rewind. Okay, so I'll give here I'm sorry, I'll give you the grab. Okay, I'll give you the grab cursor. I'll give you the true. Okay, so later on guys, we will define all the features. Okay, all the APIs also. So for now I'll give you the autoplay. Okay, autoplay. autoplay is again an object. Okay, so we have to say like this. Okay, I'll say here delay I'll give here uh, 3 seconds. Okay, so this is it. Okay, put comma, I'll just give here disable. Okay, disable on. Okay, on interaction. Okay, on interaction we'll say here false. Okay, so we will just say here false. I'll say here pause. Okay, pause. Okay, on mouse. Okay, on mouse enter. Okay, so we will just pause this slider when the mouse will hover over it. Okay, I'll say here true. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so later on we will define all the features. Okay, so as of now just save your code, and we will just define here the cleaner function as well. Okay, so we will just define here the cleaning function as well, guys. Okay, so we will just use here the return statement. Okay, to define the cleaning function. Okay, so we will just say here return like this. Okay, and we will just use here the filter function like this. Okay, so we will just say here we will just destroy the swiper slider. Okay, we will just check here first. Okay, so first we will check here this swiper. Okay, this swiper. Okay, this swiper. So copy this from here only and paste it here. Okay, if it is the case, if it is true, we will just say here swiper. Okay, swiper dot destroy. Okay, swiper dot destroy. Okay, so to destroy the instance of the swiper slider. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so just save your code, and as of now finger crossed, go to the browser and go here. See, boom guys, our slider is now working. See, I hope, see, boom guys, our slider is now working. See, boom guys, it's working, guys. You can see here it's working. Okay, so let me just go to the example. Let me just copy one thing from here. So just copy this from here and just paste here. I'm sorry, so paste it here. This is just a text. Okay, save your code, go to the browser, and I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry guys, what is the issue with my lappy? Yeah, so let me just uncomment this code. What is the issue, guys? Okay, so remove this. Okay, so yeah, let it be. Okay, so you can see here, guys, read this text. Okay, so here we can see here we are going to create here e-commerce product slider in react.js using swiper slider. Okay, I'm sorry guys, my system started behaving differently. Okay, I'm sorry for this behavior of my system. Okay, so let it be. Okay, so just try to focus on the learning part. Okay, so now just come here. So okay, so now we are going to define here all the things. Okay, so first of all I'm going to define the left and right arrow. Okay, so just inside this swiper. Okay, inside this swiper I'm going to define the left and right arrow. Okay, so I'm going to create here some divs. Okay, so I'll give the class name also. I'll say here so just close this div. Okay, I'll give the class name as a swiper. Okay, pagination. Okay, swiper pagination. So copy this and paste it couple of times. Okay, so like this, I'll just change the class name only. So I'll say here swiper. Okay, so swiper button. I'll say here next. Okay, and just remove this one swiper, and I'll say here swiper button. I'll say here means previous. Okay, and guys, this is used for the pagination, means dots, or the, they can say dots or bullets. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser, and we have to, guys, I guess guys, we have to enable the dots. Okay, we have to enable the nav. Okay, so just come to the APIs. Okay, just come to the settings of this swiper slider. Okay, so I'll just we have to just enable this. Okay, so so now, okay, so now we will just say here, so we will just say here pagination. Okay, pagination, I'll say here, I'll just say here element. Okay, element. Okay, and I'll just give here the uh, class name. Okay, so this is the pagination, swiper pagination. Okay, so copy this and put dot here, paste, not this entire things, we have to copy just this class name. Okay, and just paste it here, this is it. Okay, and I'll just put comma, and I'll just give here uh, I'll just say here clickable true. Okay, so I'll just say here clickable, I'll give here the true. Okay, so just put comma. Okay, and I'll just say here navigation. Okay, so it's navigation, so navigation, put colon, I'll just use this, I'll say here next. Okay, next element, I'll say here el. Okay, and I'll just put colon, I'll just give here the class. Okay, so I'll just say here this swiper button next. Okay, so copy this class name from here and just paste it here, I'm sorry, put comma, and I'll say here prev. Okay, so I'll say here prev element. Okay, means previous element. Okay, so put colon, so I'll just give the class name here also, and just copy this swiper button prev. Okay, so just paste it here, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now just save your code, go to the browser, and now see, boom guys, we can see here all the controls are now here, and it's fully functional and fully working. Okay, so now this bullets is also clickable. See, boom guys, this bullets is also clickable. Okay, see. Okay, yep, so this is the left control, guys. Okay, and this is the right control. Okay, so guys, as of now our slider will be not responsive. Okay, so see, it is not responsive at all. Okay, so we have to make it, guys, responsive now. Okay, you can see here this is looking really ugly, really outdated. Okay, so we have to make it responsive now. Okay, so come to the code now. So now just to make it responsive, what we will do, guys, we will just use here the breakpoints. Okay, so I'll say here break. Okay, I'm gonna use here the breakpoints. Okay, breakpoints colon, and it is an object. Okay, so now for 400, okay, for 400 we will just say here that I'll just say here slide. Okay, slide per view. Okay, slides per view, I want to show here only one. Okay, put colon comma, and I'll just say here space between, I'll just decrease the space to 10 px. Okay, put comma, and just copy this. Okay, and just paste it here couple of times. Okay, so now for this 600, okay, for the 600 I'll give here slides per view only one, and I'll give here the space between 10 only, and for the 700, okay, 768px, 768px, I'll give the slides per view, I'll give here the 3. Okay, and I'll give the space between 20. Okay, 20, and for the I'm sorry guys, and for the 1200 px or the screen sizes, we will give here slides per view, I'll give here the 5. Okay, slides per view, I'll give here the 5. Okay, and for the space between, I'll give here the 30. Okay, or give the 20. Okay, it is up to us. Okay, so if we want we can open this like this. Okay, it will look good. Okay, and professional as well. Okay, so okay, so guys, this is the breakpoints. Okay, and you can see here it is an object. Okay, so this is the breakpoints and it is an object. Okay, so just open this, it will look good. Okay, so and guys here, guys, you can define the breakpoints on your, like guys, if you want you can define your own breakpoints. Okay guys, this is my breakpoints. Okay guys, you are free to define your own breakpoints for the screen sizes for the devices. Okay, it's not compulsory you have to use this. Okay guys, you are free to define your own breakpoints. Okay, okay, I hope I'm clear. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser, and now we can see here for this value we have just shown here how many slides we will show here. For the 600 we will show here 2. Okay, so 2, and for the 678 we will just show here 3, and for the 1200, okay, it's 100. Okay, so it's 1200, we will show here 5 slides per view. Okay, so now we can see here, boom guys, so now this is our slider and this is the example slider. Okay, so see, okay, so as of now just hit this button, see details. So we can see here the name is being allotted. Okay, click OK, see details. You can see the name is being allotted. Click OK, see details. You can see the name is being allotted. Click OK, see details. You can see the name is being allotted. Okay, see details, the name is being allotted because we have defined here this method. Okay, allot name. Okay, on this button, okay, you can see on this button we have defined here handle click. Okay, and it takes one parameter slide. Okay, and it is an props value. Okay, and here we have defined, we have given here this prop value handle click, this method name, and we have defined this method name alert name here in our main component. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now as of now we will just try to see the responsiveness of this slide. Okay, so see, boom guys, now it is responsive, it is behaving according to the screen sizes. See, okay, so now it is behaving according to the screen sizes. See, boom. Okay, damn good. Okay, damn awesome, and it is up to the mark, and it is state of the art slider. Okay, so now we will write our custom css. Okay guys, to make it look good, okay, to make it look eye pleasing, to make it awesome, we have to write our custom css as well. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna write our custom css as well. Okay, so go to the head section, and inside the head section I'm gonna create here a style sheet, internal style sheet. Okay, so very quickly guys, I will write on my custom css. Okay, and just I'll give you a body. Okay, body. Okay, so I'll give you a font size. Okay, font size, I'll give you 20 px. I'll give you a font family. Okay, so I'll say here font family, I can use anything guys. Okay, it's up to you, okay, to use the font family. Okay, so I'll give you the padding also of 20 px. This is it. Okay, I'll just copy this class card title. Okay, so copy this class card title from here and just paste it here, and I'll just say here that font size, I'll give here font size, I'll give here 20 px. Okay, and I'll just give the display. Okay, so guys, just to save guys a little bit of time on the CSS. Okay, why not copy this CSS from the example, because this is just a simple CSS. Okay, and nothing rocket science at all, because we are learning here the react.js, so we must be knowing the CSS and how to write the CSS we must be knowing. Okay, so just to save a little bit of time, okay, so just paste it here, and you can see guys this is nothing. Okay, so this is the card title, and I'm just gonna truncate the text up to 2 lines. Okay, you can see here I'm just gonna truncate the text up to 2 lines. Okay, and this is the font awesome. Okay, font size, okay, Fafa star O. Okay, this is the card. Okay, this is the swiper, this is the swiper slides. Okay guys, you can pause the video and you can go through the CSS. Okay, although it is not a major CSS, not a simple CSS at all, it is just a simple CSS at all. Okay, I hope you know what is CSS and how we can write this CSS. Okay, because I know you must be knowing what is CSS, because we are learning here the react.js. So this is just a simple CSS. Okay, and just a few lines of CSS. Okay, not a rocket science, not a much line of CSS, just a few lines of CSS only. Okay, so I have done this just to save a little bit of time. Okay, so now just save your code, go to the browser, and you can see now it's looking like cool. Okay, so this is our example. Okay, this is our example, and this is what we have made. Okay, and this is what we have made. Okay, and it's look cool and dynamic also. Okay, all the controls are doing great, all the controls are working fine and perfectly, dots are also doing great. Okay, it is also clickable and also doing awesome. Okay, so yep. Okay, so let me guys just go to the example, and let me just copy this text from here again. Okay, so create it, copy it, and just okay, so paste it below this. Yeah, now it's not doing anything wrong. Okay, so I don't know why it was behaving differently in the beginning. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now we will just integrate the last feature. Okay, this is this. Okay, on click of this button we will show the details, okay, of the respective product on which user has clicked. Okay, so guys, now we will just show this star also, this ratings also we will show. Okay, so now guys, we will show this ratings also. So come to the code now. As of now we can see here there is only text ratings. Okay, so this is the text. Okay, this is the text guys, what we have written here. Okay, this ratings. Okay, so let me just put here dots also. We will be able to see the dots as well. Okay, so you can see here the dots. Okay, the dots we can see now. Okay, so now guys, now we are gonna show this ratings. Okay, we are gonna show this stars. Okay, so come to the code now, and just instead of this simple text we will show the ratings now. Okay, so just here, just say here open and closing like curly braces. Okay, we will just say here this. Okay, this slide. Okay, because this is now the simple object. Okay, we will use this slide props. Okay, because we have given here the value, okay, of this slide. Okay, is this slide. Okay, so guys, this is the prop. Okay, slide, and this slide is the value of this prop slide. Okay, so come to the code now. Here we will say here slide dot map method we are gonna use. Okay, so we will just use here this ratings. Okay, slide or dos dot this ratings. Okay, this ratings, this ratings, this ratings. Okay, to show the ratings we will use here slide. Okay, slide dot ratings, slide dot ratings. Okay, and now we will just use here the map method also. So I'll use here the map method. Okay, so like this. Okay, and we will just say here this. Okay, like this we will say here rating. Okay, rating, and I'll give here the index also. Okay, so I'll give here the index also. So I'm gonna use here the filter function like this, like this. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Okay, I'm very sorry because I'm constantly speaking, so sometime I sorry for this. Okay, so I'll use here the I. Okay, So close this eye exactly like this. Okay, so I'll just give here the key attribute also like this. Okay, I'll say here index. I'm gonna use here the key. Okay, because index is the gonna be unique, or gonna be like yeah, unique, we can say unique only. Okay, so I'll give here the class name also like this. Okay, so class name I'm gonna use here the backtick. Okay, because we are gonna use here the dynamic class, so I will be using here the backtick. Okay, so not inside outside, just the inside. Okay, okay, so now I'll give the some custom class or some static class. Okay, so fafa 2x. Okay, and 2x I'll give here the mx1 also for merging top bottom left right. Okay, and now I'm gonna use here the uh, string literal. Okay, string interpolation to append the dynamic class. Okay, and this is the rating is the dynamic class. Okay, because we can see here this ratings is an array of icons. Okay, you can see here this ratings. Okay, this rating is the array of icons. Okay, I've explained you previously also. Okay, let me explain you one more time. Okay, so you can see here this rating is the array of icons. Okay, font awesome icons. Okay, okay, so this rating is the font awesome icons. Okay, okay, so rating, yeah, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now just save your code, go to the browser, and we will be now able to see the ratings as well. Okay, so no ratings, let me just check one more time. So slide, okay, slide, let me just so I will say here okay, so we have to use here the parenthesis. Okay, so we have to use here the parenthesis. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now save your code, go to the browser, and see, boom guys, now we can see the ratings also. Okay, so guys, now we can see the ratings also of the respective products. Okay, okay, so this is it. Okay, so let me check one more thing. So let me go to the example for a while. So space between 30. Okay, here it's 30, 10, 20. So come here, so let me just decrease it to 20. Okay, so save your code, and okay, so I'm sorry. So guys, now we have to change this normal alert into this awesome and dynamic sweet alert. Okay guys, now we have to, okay guys, now we have to change this normal alert. Okay, so this is a normal alert. Okay, this is a normal alert. Okay, so we have to change this alert into something unique, something cool, with this sweet alert 2. Okay, with this sweet alert 2. Okay, so that we will show the image also, product name also, and the product price also, and other details also if we want. Okay, so now come to the code now very quickly, and now we will just use this swiper slider. Okay, sweet alert. Okay, I'm sorry. So now we will just use this sweet alert also inside this alert name function. Okay, inside this alert name function guys, I'm gonna use the sweet alert. Okay, okay, so guys, now let me just delete this. I'm sorry guys, because I'm constantly speaking guys since quite some time. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the one const. Okay, I'm gonna create here one const. I'll say here uh, swiper. Okay, swiper element. Okay, element. Okay, equal to, I'll just say here document. Okay, document dot get element by id. Okay, document dot we can see here query selector also is up to us. Okay, and we are gonna take here this class. Okay, this swiper class we are gonna take. Okay, so copy this swiper class from here and just paste it here. Okay, so now just we will say here. Okay, so now we are gonna check. Okay, so let I'm gonna create here another const let. Okay, I'll say here swiper swiper. Okay, swiper instance. Okay, swiper instance equal to, I'll say here this swiper element. Okay, this swiper element dot, I'll say here swiper. Okay, so I'll say here swiper. So close this. Okay, so now first of all we will just destroy it. Okay, so we will just say here. Okay, this swiper instance, I'm sorry, this swiper instance. Okay, so now it is the case. Okay, if it is defined. Okay, if swiper instance is defined. Okay guys, if swiper instance is defined, okay, then we will just destroy it. Okay, so copy this from here just to save up a little bit of time. Okay, so swiper dot destroy. Okay, so copy it and we will just pass the parameter also true. Okay, so true comma true. So let me just go to the swiper instance first. Go to the docs. Let me just search here destroy. Okay, destroy. Okay, so yeah, now search destroy. So go to the pagination. Okay, so guys try to go to the okay docs. Okay, I'm not gonna guys explain you all the things. Okay, it is gonna take a little bit of time also. So just go here and try to read the docs. Okay, I hope you will grab this. Okay, very easily and very efficiently. Okay, still have any doubt, any query, just ask me in the comment section below. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so just now so destroy this swiper instance. Okay, so guys now we will just use here the so go to the sweet alert 2. Okay, so I'll say here sweet alert 2. Okay, so open this first link. Okay, and just come here. So I am gonna use here the image one. Okay, which contains the image. Okay, so try this, not this so try this image. Yeah, so I'm gonna use here this. Okay, we can see here this contains the image also, so I'm gonna use it. Okay, so copy this from here. Okay, so copy this from here, come here, and below this. Okay, inside this alert name method only, below this if okay statement, we will just paste it here. Okay, so align it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so as of now see if this works or not. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser and come to the output, refresh the page. Okay, and hit the button see details. It is not working. Let me just check why. So two errors, we got two errors also. So swiper is not in line. Okay, so we can see here it's an error with the swiper slider. Okay, so just so as of now just remove this. Okay, we will just need this later on. So as of now just save your code, go to the browser and now hit this button see details. See, boom guys, now we can see here this is working. Okay, this is doing great. Okay, so let's just make this image dynamic. Okay, so let's just make this image dynamic. So to make it dynamic, what we will do here, we will just use here this slide. Okay, this slide dot, I'll just use here this image. Okay, image. Okay, so I'll say here image. Okay, so save your file, go to the browser and now hit the button see details. See, boom guys, you can see now the image is dynamic. See, it's dynamic now. It's dynamic. Okay, it's dynamic now. So let me just change the height and width also. Okay, of this alert. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the height, let it be 400 only, and I'm gonna change the height to auto. Okay, so auto. Okay, save your file, go to the browser, and now hit it, see details. Okay, so we have to put it inside the quotes. Okay, so now hit the button, see details. See, boom guys, now the image is dynamic. Okay, and it's doing great and doing fine also. So you can see. Okay, so it is doing great guys. Okay, everything is dynamic now. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so just control Z first. So we need this. Okay, so just I'll say here slide. Okay, dot image. I'm sorry. So auto height, auto image height, auto. Okay, so we will just give here the alt as well. Okay, we will just give here the image name also, only as a alt. Okay, so I'll say here content. Okay, so I'll say here content. Okay, this slide. Okay, this slide dot content. Okay, so we will show the alt elements also. Okay, so put comma. Okay, so guys, now we will just use here the then method. Okay, so guys, just come here and let me just show you why we use the then method. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so you can see guys, we can use the then method also. Okay, so just come here and try to read. Okay, the docs. Okay, I'm not gonna explain you here because I've explained you and it will take a lot of time also. Okay, so that's why I'm not gonna explain you. Just come here and read it why we use the then method in the SweetAlert 2. Okay, okay, so guys, we will wait for something to finish. Okay, and then only we will use the then method. Okay, so try this, delete. You can see, are you sure you want to able to delete? You won't be able to reward this. Okay, yes, delete it or cancel. Okay, so cancel. So see, nothing has happened. Now this time I will press the yes, delete it. So now deleted, your file has been deleted. So now you can see here, the moment we have hit the button yes, delete it. Okay, okay, we have run this then method. Okay, we have run this then method, so that's why we use here the then method. Okay, we will wait something to be finished. Okay, and then we will use it, and then we will execute, then we will use something else. Okay, to execute. Okay, so that's why we use the here then method. Okay, okay, so I hope I explained you because it will take a lot of time. Okay, I have to explain the every minute details. Okay, and due to that only our video will be larger, our video will be longer. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this. Okay, so now I'll say here then. Okay, so now I'll say here then. Okay, so I'll use this factor function. Okay, so now open it. Okay, so now we will just use here this. Okay, so copy this. Okay, so copy this everything from here. Okay, so okay, so copy this everything from here. Or let's just define here only. Okay, so we will just say here swiper instance. Okay, swiper instance equal to new. I'll just say here swiper. Okay, swiper. So give class, which class guys? This swiper. Okay, so guys, I'm doing little quickly. Okay, I'm in little hurry. Okay, because I'm sorry, because our video is a little longer now. Okay, so that's why I'm doing little fast. Okay, so I hope you will excuse me for this and you are getting me. Okay, so I just paste it here. Okay, so put comma. So now like this. Okay, open and closing braces. Open this, close this, and now we will just say here, so copy this from here. Okay, all the things from here. Okay, and copy all the things from here, even copy this. Okay, this breakpoints also. Okay, so copy this. Okay, okay, so and just paste it here. Okay, so So I hope our code will work now. So now just come here and refresh the page. Okay, so still we got the issue. Let me check what is the issue. So it says swiper is not defined. Okay, it says reference error, swiper is not defined. Okay, so this is the reference error, guys. So it is saying swiper is not defined. Okay, so let me check what is the issue. And let me just go to the example very quickly. So come to the example. It says swiper. Swiper. Let me just copy this and let me just replace. Okay, in our code. Okay, so this is it. Save your file and go to the browser and now hit the button see details. Yeah, see, so it's not working. So let me just revert it back. So revert it back. Okay, and let me just check what is the issue. Okay, so supper. Okay, you can see, guys, there is a spelling mistake. Okay, there is a spelling mistake, guys. Okay, so it's swiper. Yeah, so save your file, go to the browser, and now hit the button see details. Why, guys? Okay, so check this also. Swiper instance, swiper. Okay, so swiper instance. Okay, so swiper instance dot destroy. Okay, so now save your file and go to the browser and now hit it. See, boom, guys, now it's doing great. Okay, it's dynamic also, and it's fully functional and fully fantastic. Okay, and it is now responsive also, and it is state of the art e-commerce product slider using react.js and this swiper slider. Okay, this swiper slider. Okay, I hope, guys, uh, you learned something. I'm sorry. Okay, so let me just show you the responsiveness also. So go to the mobile view and you can see, guys, this is fully functional and fully responsive, and everything is doing great, everything is working fine. Okay, so okay, yeah, so okay, okay, so now just close this. Okay, so go to this view. So now there is zero error. Okay, there is no error at all. You can see our console is clear, no issue, no error at all. Okay, and our slider is also working fine, also doing great. Okay, so guys, this is the state of the art e-commerce, okay, product slider in react.js using swiper slider. Okay, so I hope, guys, you have learned something, okay, from this video, from this session. Okay, guys, still have you like any query, any doubt regarding this video, regarding this session? Okay, do guys reach me, and do comment in the comment section below. Okay, what you are facing, what you are going through. I will definitely try to read it, and I will definitely try to address the queries as well. Okay, so, and I'm sorry, guys, for my voice, for my mistakes. Okay, for my slip of tongues. Okay, I won't say it's a mistake, I will say it's a slip of tongues. Okay, so I hope, guys, you have learned something from this video, from this session. Okay, and you have gained something important something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay, and now you know how we can create the this e-commerce product slider in react.js using swiper slider as well. Okay, with me Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so please guys, please, okay, like this video, and like this video guys. Okay, please guys, do subscribe my this YouTube channel code with Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, for watching this session. Okay, and once again guys, uh, wish you guys a very happy new year and prosperous new year to all of my lovely community members, to all of my lovely subscribers. Okay, I hope you will gain new heights, new success in your career this year. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. Okay, and do subscribe my guys this channel code with Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.